Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. So today we will start with our third unit, that is fraction. So let's start with the problems. So first problem is find the shaded fraction of the given figure. So from this figure you have to find this shaded fraction. Okay. So how many part is shade? Only one part is shade. And how many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 equal parts are there. So fraction we are writing as fraction will be equals to numerator by denominator. So what is denominator? Denominator means how many total equal parts are given, which is 4. And numerator means which is shaded or unshaded part. So here the question is asked about the shaded part. So how many part is shaded? 1. So your answer is 1 by 4. So let's see the option. B is your correct answer. Second, find the value of the following. 1 by 3 of 36. So 1 by 3 of 36 we can write directly. 1 by 3 into 36. Okay. So 3 ones are 3 12s are 36. So answer is C. Third question, what fraction of the given figure is shaded? Okay, so as I have told you that your fraction is equals to numerator by denominator. So first we will check how many total equal parts are there. Okay, so let's start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, so total 16 equal parts are there, so we will write 16. Now we have to check how many parts are shaded. Okay, so let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 equal parts are shaded, so we are getting answer 6 by 16. So option B is your correct answer. Next, 3 by 4 represent. We see option first, a whole, 3 parts of whole, 4 parts of whole, and 7 parts of whole. So, okay. So, as I told you, fraction means numerator by denominator. Denominator means what? Total equal parts means whole fraction. Okay. So, 4 we are given is there. Okay. So, these are 4 equal parts will be there for a circle. Okay, so 3 means 3 parts will be shaded or unshaded, so it will be a 3 parts of whole. So option B is your correct answer. Fifth, Rashmi bakes 37 biscuits. She gave 23 biscuits to a poor children. What fractions of biscuit is left with her? So total 37 is with her. Okay, total 37 biscuit is with her. Numerator we have to check. So subtract 37 minus by 23. So what you will get? 14. So how many fraction of biscuit is left with her? 14 by 37. So option A is your correct answer. 6. What fraction of the given balls are green? So first we will check how many balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can write as 7 balls with there, and how many balls are green? 1, 2 and 3. So we are getting answer 3 by 7. So option D is your correct answer. So shaded fraction of, okay, so shaded fraction of these two we have to find. So in this we are having 3 equal parts. Okay, so we will write 3 equal parts. How many parts are shaded? 3. So we'll write in the numerator form plus. In this we are having again 3 equal parts, so we will write over in down. Okay, denominator part. And how many parts are shaded? 1. So we'll write here. So we can write that as on both the side we are getting 3 as equal. So we'll write denominator same and numerator as 3 plus 1. So we'll get the answer 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 is a shaded fraction. So where is your answer? Option C is your correct answer. 8. What fraction of letters in the word geometry are vowels? Okay, so first we have to find how many letters are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 letters are there. From that, how many letters are vowel? We have to say vowels mean A, E, I, O, and U. These are vowel. See, E, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 by 8 we are getting, right? So option B is your correct answer. Ninth question, fraction of the digit 7 in the given series is, okay, so this series is given and we have to find how many digits are 7, okay. So first, what we have to find, how many numbers are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So how many we are getting? 21. And from that, we have to check how many 7 numbers are there. So 1, okay, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we are getting 4 by 21. See the option? Option D is 4 by 21. So it is answer is D. Next, 10th, there are 8 lions, 5 horses, and 3 monkeys in a zoo. What fraction of the total animals are monkey in the zoo? So we have to find how many fractions of animals monkeys are in the zoo. Okay. So first we will find out how many total animals are there. Okay, so we will add all these animals. So what you will get? 8 plus 5 plus 3. So that will be 16. Okay, so we will write 16 and total monkeys are 3. So what fraction we are getting? 3 by 16. So option C is your correct answer. Next, so 11th question. Compare and fill in the blocks. 4 by 7 plus 2 by 7. In this box, we have to compare. We have to check which number is greater or smaller and then we have to fill. Okay. 5 by 7 minus 2 by 7. So 4 by 7 plus 2 by 7. So our denominator is same. So we can write denominator as 7. 4 plus 2, we are getting 6 by 7. Okay. And here we are getting 5. Again, here denominator is same. You can write same as it is, and 5 by 2, 5 minus 2 will be 3 by 7. So which number is greater? 6 by 7 is greater. So as I am telling that alligator likes to eat a greater number. So we will give this side. Okay. So option B is your correct answer. So question 12. 1/6 of a collection of 24 twice is. So 1 by 6 we can write as 1/6 means 1 by 6 into 24 twice. So 24. So we know that 6 ones are 6, 4s are. So how many twice we are getting? 4 twice. So let's see. Option B is your correct answer. Okay. So in the next lecture, we will solve the achiever section of the fraction. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get the notification. Thanks for watching.